Hmm.
So we're in the tent. And there were all kinds of noises.
Yes.
And you can see our breath. Did you hear that? Is it a dog? What is it?
I thought it was a bird.
And then we heard like this howling. That was my dog right there. Howling slash hooting.
Mm-hmm.
Thought maybe it was an owl or a coyote. Oh. What do you think?
I would rather it be deer or lamb or rabbits. We did see deer and rabbits tonight on
Yeah.
the drive back in. Those are nice and docile creatures to me. Nothing I'm going to be scared of tonight.
Yeah, the woodland creatures at night, they're a little tricky. Footsteps outside your tent and your dog's going crazy. Yeah. A little scary. It stopped. Good night.